Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe took me back to my childhood memories. I used to have this Halkova with my friends during my school days. This recipe is very easy to make, so let's get started. Add some ghee into a pan and melt it. Into that add in Maida or all-purpose flour, mix it well and roast it for 5 to 10 minutes until you get a beautiful aroma from the flour. Now add this mixture into another bowl. And allow it to cool down slightly. When the mixture is still warm, add in milk powder, cardamom powder and mix it. Now into this mixture, add in powdered sugar little by little and mix it. Once you incorporate the entire powdered sugar into it, take a tray and spread the mixture. Spread it and press it nicely. Now keep this tray in freezer for 10 minutes until it becomes really set. After 10 minutes, take it out and you can cut this into any desired shapes. We used to get this in small cubes, but that was never enough for me. So when I'm making it, I decided to give this a bigger shape. This is actually a melt in your mouth recipe. So definitely try this out and your kids will love this. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.